Students, in English, let's read sound of A words. Sound of A. Sound of A as in lad, L-A-D, lad, with A-D, words with A-D. So let's see, L-A-D, lad, P-A-D, pad, S-A-D, sad, D-A-D, dad, S-A-D, sad, P-A-D, pad, L-A-D, lad. Now sound of A as in J-A-M, jam. इसमें पीछे A-M लगा तो A-M से हम लोग वर्ड्स बनाएंगे. J-A-M, jam, D-A-M, dam, R-A-M, ram, M-A-M, mam. Sound of A as in lake, L-A-K-E, lake, L-A-K-E, lake, C-A-K-E, cake, C-A-K-E, cake, B-A-K-E, bake, B-A-K-E, bake, W-A-K-E, wake, W-A-K-E, wake. Color the pictures and fill in the missing letters. You have to write A, sound of A, D-A-D, dad, J, what letter will be a? A, J-A-M, jam. What is this? Bat. So what is the spelling of bat? B-A, bat, B-A-T, bat. Hat. What is the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. What is this? Rat. R-A-T, rat. What is this? Cap. C-A-P, cap.